Hi, 1Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer so that if you've changed your Wi-Fi network or you've moved into a new home with these or you just need to get these connected to the app, we'll show you how to factory reset them and then connect them to the app so that you can use these and you will have full functionality out of the Amazon Basics Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer switch. In order to factory reset this, what you need to do is hold down on the power button until it starts blinking a red and green color. So for me, that's typically been about 10 to 15 seconds. Once you hold it down, it will start blinking. So let's hold this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now it's in the red and green blinking mode, and here you're going to need to get your phone out and use the Amazon Alexa app to reconnect this. So here we've got our phone and we're going to open up the Amazon Alexa app, and we're just at the home screen here for the Amazon Alexa app, and what we're going to do is we're going to click over here on devices down at the bottom. Now we're going to go over here and click on the upper right hand corner on the plus, and now we're going to click add a device. Now we've got a wide variety of items here. We're going to scroll down to switch. And then it says what brand is your switch. We've got an Amazon Basics brand switch. So we're going to click on that because we're setting up an Amazon Basics dimmer. So we're going to make the selection for dimmer here. It says give Alexa app permission. We're going to allow Bluetooth and camera. And then I don't have a barcode, but if you wanted to take this off and then you take off the mounting plate behind it, you could get that QR code. It's on the switch. However, we don't want to do that. We want to do it the easiest way. So I'm going to click I don't have a barcode here. Then I'm going to click next. Now it's looking for our Amazon Basics dimmer switch. And it is currently blinking in that green mode, so it's connecting, and that means that we have factory reset our Amazon Basics dimmer, and now it's ready to set up. Here, we're just going to click on our Wi-Fi network and enter our password if needed. Now it's connecting the Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer to our Wi-Fi network. All right, now the dimmer's connected. I'm going to click next. It says, where is your switch? We're just going to call it downstairs and click add to group. Now we're going to click continue and we're going to click done. Let's see if we can use this switch now. All right, it's right there at the top. So let's turn it on and see if it works. There we go. So that is how you factory reset your Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer switch and set it back up on the Amazon app if you want to be able to use this with Alexa or use any of the smart features that you can use on your phone via Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching this video. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.